Hey there, beautiful friends. Welcome back to my channel where we delve into all things spiritual and uplifting. Today I want to talk about a topic that resonates deeply with many of you: having faith. Whether you're facing challenges, seeking guidance, or simply looking to strengthen your spiritual connection. Having faith can be a powerful source of comfort and resilience. In this video, I'm going to share 5 steps to help you cultivate and nurture your faith. Let's embark on this light, enlightening journey together. Reason 1: Burnout City population use. Yep, one of the most common culprits behind the performance dip is good old burnout. When we push ourselves too hard, neglect self-care, or fail to set boundaries, burnout can sneak up on you and wreak havoc on your performance. So if you're feeling exhausted, overwhelmed, or just plain drained, it might be time to pump the brakes, recharge those batteries, and give yourself the TLC you deserve. Reason 2: Hello distractions. In today's hyper-connected world, distractions are everywhere, just waiting to steal our focus, on sabotage or performance. Whether it's the ping of a notification, the lure of social media, or that never-ending to-do list dancing in your mind, staying focused can feel like an uphill battle. To combat distractions, try setting clear boundaries, establishing a distraction free zone, and practicing mindfulness to stay present and engaged in the task at hand. Step 3: Embrace uncertainty. Faith isn't about having all the answer or knowing what the future holds. It's about trusting in the unseen and surrendering to the flow of life. Embrace the unknown with an open heart and a willingness to let go of control. By releasing the need for certainty, you create space for faith to blossom and guide you on your journey. Step 4: Connect with community. Surround yourself with like minded individuals who uplift and support your spiritual growth. Whether it's through attending religious services, joining a meditation group, or engaging in meaningful conversations with friends, community can be a powerful source of inspiration and encouragement on your pace to depending your faith. And there you have it, lovelies. These are just a few reasons why our performance may decrease and some strategies to help you overcome these challenges and reclaim your brilliance. Remember, setbacks are temporary, growth is con- content, and you have the power to rise above any obstacle that comes your way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a symbol. Share it with your squad and hit that subscribe button for more empowering content. Until next time, stay fabulous, stay fierce, and keep slaying those goals. You we got this.